After seeing everybody doing skull ashtrays, I finally decided to invest in one. This was try number one, and I'm pretty happy with it. I think, it has some good potential. There was a few errors, but for the most part, it turned out pretty nice. Gave it a nice dark bottom. So that was number one. Well, then I had to try it again and created this. I used some of my red to orange chameleon colors, and unfortunately it came out kind of purple looking, which it shouldn't have. But I did get the skeletons on the sides right. They came out a nice silver using dark pour inside of it. Then I tried a third time. I wanted to get the appearance of flames. And I do believe I succeeded. He is cool. I am in love with this ashtray. I used deep red, my wine red, for the base color of the flames, the darkest part of the flames, and then filled it with the deep red too. And happy, happy, joy, joy. What do you think, guys?